Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will see how you can add yourself on Google search result. Yes, you hear it right. Now you can add yourself on Google search result instantly, as Google has come up with a new feature which will enable us to add ourselves on Google search result. Only it was there, like we have to make our website, we have to do SEO, and then we will like appear if our score is good on search result. And also if someone has a very common name, then they face very lot of issue in search ranking, and Google has come up with a solution to this. So in this video we will see that what is this new feature is all about. So here you can see that I am logged in my account right in the top, and you first need to ensure that you are logged in into your account and just search add me to search, and this option will be shown to you. Add yourself to Google search, and just click on the get start and we see. So here we can see that create a public profile. So let's come down here, and here we can see that we can change our profile picture. And if you want to change your name, you have to go to your Google account and you need to change it from there, and you can't edit from it here. And so now we will go to the location. So add where you live. So in my case it is Mumbai, Maharashtra. And in about, write about yourself, what work you do, and if you're providing any services, and you can add that here. And after that your occupation, like I will add I'm a software engineer. Okay. And in your work you can add your company. I will write and after that your education. Mine is University of Mumbai, and in hometown add your hometown. And website, if you have any personal portfolio website, you can add it. And if you have any blog, you maintain any blog, you can add that also. Any website which you own, you can add it here, which you want others to see. So I added my personal portfolio link, and now comes the social media profiles. So here we can see we have a lot of options. So I will add my Instagram. And LinkedIn. That's it. You can add many more. I am adding only these two. So after adding social profiles, here comes the email and phone number. So these are the two critical parts which people will think twice to add before publicly. Google also authenticates you on these two things. Like if your name is very common, so to provide from spamming and name overtaken here, so Google is authenticating based on email numbers and phone numbers. So create a public email and have a public number which you can display, and if you want to leave this, you can also leave it, but Google takes these two also in consideration, and this might be the reason if you are not adding these two, you may not appear on Google. I am adding my email, so this email will be that email from which you are creating the card, and I am not adding my phone number, and I am keeping it like this only. And let's see its preview. So here you can see that my card is created. It will look like this if it is appear in search result after someone has searched about me. So let's save it. So we have successfully created this card, our search card, and what we have to do is now we have to wait for some time, as it will take time to get index on Google search engine, and in some cases it might get done quickly, but if in your case it is not, if it is taking time, you have to wait till it get indexed. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, share with your friends. Thank you.